Hi friends, I am Dr. Pratap Sanato. I have done MD in Forensic Medicine. In today's video, we will continue with organic irritants. In that, we will discuss about Cantharides. Cantharides is nothing but a powder obtained from Spanish fly beetle. So, Spanish fly beetle is 2 cm long and 0.6 cm in broad. The Indian version of that is about 2.5 cm long and 0.8 cm in broad. So, Cantharides powder, which is obtained from Spanish fly, is a dried body. It is a dried body which is grayish brown in color and contains shiny green particles. So, Cantharides is nothing but dried body part which is crushed to make a powder, which is grayish brown in color and has some green particles. It is used externally as a irritant form. This is the image of the Spanish fly. This is also however commercially this sell powder. They are also used by quacks as a form of treatment, also form of other sexual aphrodisiac, and this is the powder which is brownish in color. Coming to active principle, the active principle which consists as a cantharidin. Cantharidin is rarely absorbed from all parts of the body, including the skin. Powder consists about 2.59% of cantharidin. Coming to symptoms, when it is the powder is applied to the skin, it causes redness, burning, pain, which may lead again to continue to desiccations. If the powder is consumed internally, symptoms appear in half to 2 hours. There is burning sensation from mouth to throat, followed by pain in stomach, nausea and vomiting. There is bloody mucus, severe thirst, then difficulty in swallowing and speech may occur. Later on, there is dull pain felt in the loins, the urine is scanty and blood stained, though there is an increased desire to pass urine, but the person is unable to pass. There is priapism may occur. There is also tenesmus may occurs. Abortion usually occurs in pregnant woman. If the woman is pregnant and consumes cantharides powder, it may cause abortion. In severe cases, the patient becomes prostrated, convulsions occurs, and death may take place. And in condition of coma, the person goes to coma and person may die. Fetal dose is about 30 to 50 mg of cantharidin, that is active principle, or 1.5 to 3 grams powder of cantharides powder. Fetal period is 24 to 36 hours. Coming to treatment, stomach wash, mainly there is no specific treatment. There is no specific antidote is present, only symptomatic treatment is given. Stomach wash is given mainly to remove the poison which is present in the stomach. Nebulizations is to prevent the absorption. Nebulizations are given to prevent if there is any present in the, even if some part of catheter is remaining in the abdomen, to remove it, the nebulizations are given. Coming to postmortem appearance, again there are no specific changes. The mouth may show inflammatory changes and sometimes vesicatious may be seen. The mucous membrane of the esophagus is often swollen, engorged and may show patches of ulceration. The mucosa of stomach is markedly congested and shows petechial hemorrhages with foci of superficial erosions. Particles of insects may be found sticking to the mucosa. So, mainly the only thing is, if we find the powder in the stomach like insect particles or cantharides powders inside the stomach, that will be the definitive that the person has died because of cantharides ingestion. The kidneys are acutely inflamed and there is a hemorrhage in the renal pelvis and bladder. The bladder mucosa is inflamed and ecchymosis may be present. The surface of the heart and cardiac may show hemorrhages. The lungs may be edematous and air passage may contain blood stain mucus. So, they usually cause it because of irritant effect. Most of the organs are inflamed or may have hemorrhagic tendencies. Coming to circumstances of poisoning, so as I mentioned, cantharides powder is available commercially as an aphrodisiac, and because of that, overdosage may lead to poisoning. So, accidental death is common when there is accidental application as a counter irritant. It is also rarely used as homicidal purposes. It is also used as aphrodisiac, though there is no useful action is present, but even then they are issued by the quacks because of its action leading to priapism and paining. Irritant effect is used as an aphrodisiac. It is also taken for use for criminal abortion. Other than that, it is mainly accidental poison when overconsumption or over application may lead to symptoms of irritant effect, and consumption may lead to the death of a person. These are my references. Thank you.